Hi everyone. Today I want to talk to you about how to close an on-the-fence pay-per-lead client, all right? And this is good timing actually, because literally 5 minutes before this video, I shot a video for a potential prospect of ours and explained to them how we work, what we do, why our leads are good, and what our funnels look like. And I'm going to run you through this exact process that I did 5 minutes ago. The client that we're just about to land has got a £500,000 per month advertising budget, all right? And when you're able to explain to them clearly how this works and why the lead quality is so good, these guys fight over themselves to become your client. And there's clients like this everywhere, guys. I'm not kidding you. There's so many big, like medium-sized businesses over there that need leads into their business, into their call center every single day. All right, it's not unusual, believe me. So follow these 3 steps and you should be fine to close clients. All right, the first thing you need to do is explain what an advertorial funnel looks like. And for those of you who are not running advertorial funnels at the moment, maybe you need to bend the truth a little bit, okay? Because we don't always run advertorial funnels for our clients, but we can. We don't always use them, but it's always a really good way to explain why the quality is so good. And you do have the capability to run them if you really need to. But what I say is this, all right, Mr. Client, what we do, the first way we generate leads is with an ad to an advertorial to a landing page to a thank you page. Okay, and then I go on to say, so what we do is we create an ad which explains what a certain offer is. Okay, so a fairly short, punchy ad that it says, do you qualify? Or, and this can be done on Facebook, on YouTube, on Twitter, on any traffic network. But we explain a short ad that intrigues people, that gets them to click through to an advertorial. And on that advertorial, we explain to the potential prospect what the pros and cons are, what the benefits are, whether or not they're a good fit, if they qualify. And in this day and age, Mr. Client, if someone has the attention span to read through a 600-word advertorial, then you know they're going to be good, because everyone just clicks back and they've got the attention span of a goldfish. So if they're reading this, the quality is going to be great, and they finish that advertorial, and then they click through to a landing page where we grab their details, their name, email address, and phone number. And Mr. Client, most people that you deal with probably try and do this. They try and go add to landing page on Facebook or on some social PPC network, and it just doesn't work because the quality is crap. And this is how we do it, Mr. Client. All right, so use your imagination there a little bit. Sell the fact that you can generate quality while you're different to everyone else. And if you can do this, then they're going to love it. They're going to lap it up. The next thing is add to quiz to blah, 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 to blah, 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 to landing page 1, landing page 2, to thank you page. Okay. Mr. Client, okay. The next way we generate leads and why we can grab such great quality for you and why we give you the leads with the best criteria possible is because we're able to segment our leads, all right? If you're a car finance client and you only want homeowners with a job over $100,000 per year, then we can give you that, Mr. Client. This is how we do it. So we create an ad here and then we ask them questions that fit your criteria, Mr. Client. So let's say you do want someone that is a homeowner with a high salary, then you ask those questions within the funnel, within this quiz, all right? It's a quick survey, it takes them 20 seconds to finish, and they tell you the answers. And if they're a perfect fit, then they go up to the tick box here, landing page 1, which is where the good quality leads are and the ones your client wants. But down here is the bad criteria leads that you don't want, okay? And if you don't want these, that's fine, Mr. Client. We'll find someone else that will take them off your hands. But if not, maybe you can, there's someone that you know within your network that might want to take them. If so, please let us know, all right? Because down here, these are the guys that might have bad credit and they might not be a good fit for your business, but they're going to be a great fit for other businesses because they specialize in these types of leads. And that's how we get you lots of quality. All right, this is how we're different. And the third way that we do things is, we see this quiz here. We use Leads Hook to build that quiz. And we'll put a link below this video to Leads Hook. A lot of you guys know I bang on about it. It's great software by Nick Thackerlell. It's the best in the lead gen business, and I would highly recommend picking up a free trial if you can. But what we do is we take a little screenshot, screencast. And what we do is we take out the Leads Hook branding or anything like that, and we say, Mr. Client, we have a bespoke bit of software here which allows us to build what we call decision trees. So if they're the people with the high salary and the homeowners and looking for expensive car, this is how we put them down this decision tree, and we follow it through and show them what this looks like. And then if they're not, then they go down this particular decision tree, and we can build unlimited decision trees. We can match the type of leads that you want within your business. All right, Mr. Client. And when you combine all of these three things together with a client that's sitting on the fence, you know, how can they say no? All right, I know you're convinced just listening to me discuss this and talk about it. And if you can do the same and just, you know, you're not lying here, you're actually showing what good marketing is all about. And if you can do that and communicate it in a clear way, then you're going to be off to the races and you'll be landing clients left, right, and center. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to know more about pay per lead and whether or not it's a good fit for you and how to build an agency, then we obviously have a case study below this video which you can watch and enjoy. It's really good. For those of you who've seen it before, it's been updated in the last month. It's better than before with lots of great tips you can implement yourself. So enjoy, and we'll see you soon. Bye.